All right, welcome to this month's training, the Beginner's Musician Guide to Booking Gigs. So, this is something that I've been looking to do for a while. I get questions like this all the time from beginning musicians who have a hard time finding gigs or they don't really even know where to start. So it's something I've been kind of handling, off and on here over the last couple of years. And then finally last month, just was kind of asking what everybody wanted to know about in the Facebook Mastermind, and lo and behold, Ariel brought this up as well. So I figured, you know what? Why don't I do it? Now is time. And this is all information that I basically kind of learned by doing it myself. So it's not necessarily going to apply in every single market. It may not even apply for every single genre, but I think there's going to be a lot of good information in here no matter what kind of an artist you are and no matter where you're at. So I think it's worth your time. So why would we need a guide to booking gigs? Why would we have to book gigs ourselves? Well, it starts with the fact that booking agents, 99 times out of 100 are not going to work with new people. The reason is you're just not proven. You don't have an audience yet, so they don't want to put their reputation on the line to book somebody new who won't bring anybody into the venue. So until you have a draw, until you build up an audience, they are not going to deal with you. And the reason I know this is because when I was doing, or when I was just starting out, I would call around. There was certain venues I tried to get in some of the bigger cities, and you couldn't get in them without going through a booking agent. And then I'd call that booking agent, and the booking agent wouldn't book me because, well, he didn't trust that I had an audience to bring to the show. So he didn't want to put his reputation on the line because, those venues basically pay him to put butts in the seats. And that means bring in, good acts that bring people in. So that's their focus. So what we're going to do here is we're going to go ahead and I'm going to show you some of the strategies I used both as a solo artist and with my band to kind of, start booking some gigs and finding some places to play so that you can get out there and, start working on your show and start building a following. So let's check it out.